Yep, we're at the Gately Audio Show Saturday. About to see some cool shit. If you guys were wondering whatever happened with that 24-inch sub that we cut on the laser. This is it, look at it. I haven't seen it in action yet. It's still full prototype stage. But something's going to become of it real soon.
Hey, seriously, this is like you did.
How the hell did you even get in there? Damn. So many vehicles. So many gigantic systems. I don't even know where to start. I almost kind of want to start with Nolte because that's the one that I've been wanting to hear. Gately Audio 2026. There's so many cars out here. Yeah, what you running in here?
T1s.
Someone like you wanna give me love, but I can get it now.
What's his name? Walter?
Old and ugly car seats?
Right on.
Go Ultra with our Ultra.
Sundown Audio, Gately, little SMD in there. Terrance, pushing everything. Look how thick that box is. That's a lot of wires, man. They're nice and tidy. I like it. Nice. I get to keep that shirt? That's you. All right, I'm gonna wear it too. All right, let's see what this thing's all about. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I love it. Cool shit. What do you got in here?
6 NSA Private 12s on 2 Ruthless 8500s, 3 Brand X alternators, lots of Sky High speakers, and of course SMD fuse blocks and
Hell yeah,
voltmeter.
dude, sick. I spotted that voltmeter too. That's always good. Hey, you got it buried. You must have some voltage. Serious voltage in here.
Two separate charging systems. So this one's for the bass amps, and then this one's for the track and the 4 channels.
Sick, dude. Hey, you gonna let me hear it or what?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's Brando.
No. For one. I've been getting cash busy, ass I'm across the hole. I can sweat that. Niggas sitting around broke, letting time find the gas.
Damn near caught me slipping on that first note, man. I wasn't ready for that.
I got you one time at Sky High Barbecue in my old build too.
You did? Oh, so you're out to get me, man.
I had some
I know.
old Kicker ZX in the trunk. You're like, oh, it's a Kicker. Got in him.
Yeah, good shit, man. Good shit. Right on, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Thank
Have
you.
a show, dude.
Yeah.
Turn the bass up and the road noise down with Damplifier from Second Skin Audio. Damplifier kills structural noise by damping the vibration energy of your car's metal for best-in-class vibration damping and adhesion. Stop the vibrations, stop the noise. All made in the US of A, baby.
I need to get in here. I almost got my phone ripped out of my hand, aiming it in there. Oh, do you mind if I get in? Okay. Oh.
Maybe you want the passenger side.
Passenger side?
I don't know.
Oh, no, I'm coming.
Get in there.
Was he gonna get me?
You ain't ready for this shit, dude. I promise I'll get out after this one.
Hey, tell him base is life. You ain't getting out.
Base is life, we ain't getting out. You gotta find that high-end fucking...
God damn.
Oh, he's gonna pick a high-end one, dude.
Oh, he's gonna try to hurt us? He's gonna try to hurt me?
He ain't gonna try, he is.
Oh shit. But it's almost there. Oh, we ain't close to the door. I had drool coming out of my mouth. Woo-hoo. All right.
Money. It's Sean Khalifa, man. And I got money. Sick. Money in the house.
Where the hell's Rusty at?
I don't know where he's at, man. He dipped out on us. He's out getting the munchies.